User story document specifically for the data training phase in an AI/ML project. Users tree. id. US002. Title. As a data scientist, I want to train the machine learning model. Description. The data scientist should be able to train a machine learning model using preprocessed data so that the model can learn patterns and make accurate predictions. User role. Data scientist. Feature. Model training. Acceptance criteria. Given preprocessed data. When the data scientist trains the model, then the training process should complete without errors. Given preprocessed data. When the model is trained, then the training and validation accuracy should meet or exceed specified benchmarks. Given preprocessed data. When the model is trained, then the training process should be documented, including hyperparameters and results. Priority. High. Status. To do. Story points. 13. Assigned to John Smith. Tags. Model training. Machine learning. AI. Dependencies. US001 data preprocessing. Notes. Consider experimenting with different algorithms and hyperparameters to optimize model performance. Ensure reproducibility of results. Created by AI Project Manager. Created date. The 28th of June 2024. Updated date. The 28th of June 2024. Data requirements. Preprocessed dataset in appropriate format. Access to data storage e.g. database, data lake. Model requirements. Support for the selected machine learning framework e.g. TensorFlow, PTorch. Compatibility with the defined input and output formats. Technical requirements. Python 3. X. Libraries. Pandas. NumPy. Scikit-learn. TensorFlow. PTorch. GPU access for faster training if applicable. Validation metrics. Training accuracy. Validation accuracy. Precision. Recall. F1 score. Risks and mitigations. Risk. Overfitting. Mitigation. Implement regularization techniques and cross-validation. Risk. Insufficient training data. Mitigation. Use data augmentation or gather more data. Risk. Long training times. Mitigation. Optimize code and utilize GPU resources. Training parameters. Algorithm. Convolutional neural network. Epochs. 50. Batch size. 32. Learning rate. 0.001. Performance targets. Training accuracy. 90. Validation accuracy. 85. Documentation. Model architecture. Training process and steps. Hyperparameters and their values. Performance metrics and evaluation. Review and approval. Reviewed by lead data scientist. Approval status. Pending. Explanation of additional fields. Training parameters. Specific parameters used during the training phase, such as the algorithm, number of epochs, batch size, and learning rate. Performance targets. Target performance metrics that the model should achieve, such as training and validation accuracy. Documentation. Documentation requirements for the training process, including model architecture, steps taken, hyperparameters used, and performance metrics. Review and approval. Information about the review and approval process, including who reviewed the work and the current approval status. This layout ensures that all aspects of the data training phase are covered, providing a comprehensive overview for the team to follow and refer to during the implementation.